Without blocking, how to avoid a rude person from seeing your WhatsApp DPN status is discussed in this video. First, you must open WhatsApp from your phone, and in the top you can see there are three dot setting. You can see at the top of the conversation. You must press that, and here you can see the options of new group, new broadcast, WhatsApp, web, etc. And from here you must pick the settings. You must select the settings from here like this, and from the settings you can see the options of account, and in this account you must go to the privacy, and in this privacy you can see who can see my page info. Here you must change, so the last scene, if you don't want to see it, you can hide it from nobody. Then change the profile photo from everyone to my contact only. Similarly, you must change the about also from everyone to my contact. After that, you must go to your phone's contact, and you can delete this number from the contact list. Press the delete contact. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, subscribe Engineers Well Online. Thank you.